You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's fix the Instagram Live option not showing. First, update the Instagram app from your App Store. Restart your phone as this refreshes the software. Check your account status. Ensure you have no active restrictions or bans by going to Settings, then Help and Account Status. Verify your internet connection is strong. A weak signal can hide the feature. Now check app permissions. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Camera and Microphone, and ensure Instagram has permission for both on. Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram and Permissions. Also clear Instagram's cache on Android from the app storage settings. Try switching your account from professional to personal or vice versa in Settings. The live feature requires a stable connection and an account in good standing. If you're under 18, some features may be limited. Log out of Instagram and log back in to refresh your session. As a last step, uninstall and reinstall the app. This installs a fresh version and often resolves missing options. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.